So as of now, this is how our flow looks like. Now this is not just a student application form, but in this flow we are also doing the screens and UI changes for teachers application form. So I should give the appropriate flow label, not using student application form, but I can use a generic one like application form. So for that purpose I can click on save as. Either I can create a new version, okay, and change the label. In the new version you can always change the flow label, but you won't be able to change the flow API name. So this is one option which I have, and the other option which I have is to create a new flow entirely. So let's go with a new flow, and I will write this time I will write application form, okay, and you will see that there are some other configurations which we will see later. And if I save it, you will see that it will start from version 1. So now I am not referring to the previous flow. This is entirely a separate flow which I have created. If I go back to setup, let me close these windows. If I go back to setup and look for flows, here you will see one application form flow which I have just created, and there is a previous flow which is a student application form. Now these two are totally different flows, having a different API name, having a different flow label. So any change you do over here won't impact this flow, any change you do over here won't impact that flow. Okay, all right, now we will work on the application form flow, and I will open it right here. For now, our application form flow is not yet active, which is fine. We will make it active later, but because right now we are building it. Okay.